But can we go there to other three-dimensional spaces? Theoretically, all spaces are connected, either crossing with one another or through a third one crossing both, like lines crossing or parallel, or planes crossing or parallel, or three-dimensional spaces crossing or parallel. And as we postulated in idea number 3, n-dimensional spaces cross at n-1 dimensional space. Let's first consider it with an example of planes. Two planes intersect at a line. If they are parallel, we can always define another plane that intersects the previous both at lines. So to get from plane 1 to plane 2, the object should go through the line, the space of a lower dimension. Should it collapse to a -1 dimension and then unfold again? I will answer soon. Respectively, if a three-dimensional object transfers from one three-dimensional space to another, should it collapse? The question is if we are capable of transforming between dimensions. I would dare to say we do not even have to. But if our world is four-dimensional, where changing three-dimensional state every moment of time is changing a three-dimensional space, we can say we move in time from one three-dimensional space to another, and it happens instantly, with each moment of time being a three-dimensional space snapshot. This way, shifting to another four-dimensional world would be not any different than just living, because it would require going through an intersection of these four-dimensional worlds, namely three-dimensional space, which is the moment of time. Even though we do not have to do anything to transit between three-dimensional spaces, as it happens naturally, it still raises an even harder question. How and why does this transitioning between spaces, this flow of time, happen then? Who is selecting which space is next? Who is the editor of life? For me personally, this is another silent proof of God in the core, in the essence of our existence.
Check out the full video linked in the description. Like and subscribe to get more inspiring ideas.